Hi guys, today I'm going to share with you how to have your MacBook read aloud to you something that you're trying to read for school. If you're on a website, either Chrome or Safari, you can have it read to you any section you want. All you got to do is highlight the section of the materials that you want to read. And then after that, go up to the top where it says edit right here. Click edit and then go to speech. Click start speaking and it'll read to you the highlighted section of what you just picked.
Since we can't go to the center of Earth, we have to rely on indirect observations of the materials of the interior. These observations mostly come from seismic waves.
You'll notice it stops right where you ended your highlighting. So you can pick as much or as little as you'd like it to read based on what you're not certain about. If you'd like to have it read from like a PDF document, all you got to do is same thing, pick the PDF you're reading, and then click the section in the PDF you'd like the computer to read to you. And same exact thing, go up to edit right here, slide down to speech, and click start speaking.
Earth can be divided into 3 layers based on chemical composition. These layers are called the crust, the mantle, and the core. Each compositional layer is made up of a different mixture of chemicals.
This works great for anything in Safari, Chrome, or in preview or like a PDF document. All of those, you can just, again, go to edit, pick speech, and you click start speaking for it to read the highlighted part,
into 3 layers based
or
on
stop speaking if you don't need it anymore. That's it. I hope that helps. If you have any questions, always feel free to email us and we'll do what we can to help you.